In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a task in Microsoft Project. Splitting a task is a simple way to show that work starts, pauses, and then resumes later, which is perfect for handling delays, meetings, or when resources aren't available. On the Gantt chart, a split appears as a dotted gap in the tasks bar, making the interruption obvious in your schedule. Start by switching to the Gantt chart view so you can see the task's timeline. Go to the View tab and choose Gantt chart. If your timescale looks too zoomed in or out, use the zoom controls to make the dates easy to read. Next, select the task you want to split. Click its name in the table so its bar is highlighted in the chart. Make sure you're selecting a regular task rather than a summary line. Splits apply to individual tasks with actual work. Now, click the Split Task button. You'll find it on the Task tab in the Schedule group. When you click it, your cursor changes to a splitter-style pointer. This is your cue that you're ready to create the interruption on the bar. Move to the Tasks bar in the chart area. Click at the point where you want the first part of the work to end, then drag to the right until the date when the work is set to resume. Release the mouse, and Project inserts a dotted gap to show the pause. If the task will pause more than once, repeat the same action to create additional splits. Each segment represents a distinct period of work. After you've split the task, you can fine-tune the timing by moving segments. Hover over a segment other than the first until the pointer changes to a four-way arrow, then drag it left or right to adjust its start date. This is helpful if a meeting runs long or a resource becomes available earlier than expected. You can also change the task's overall duration in the Duration field. Project will recalculate the task's timing and work based on your scheduling settings and any resource assignments, keeping dependencies and calendars in mind. If you decide you don't need the split anymore, it's easy to remove. Drag a split segment back toward the previous one until they touch. When they meet, the dotted break disappears and the task returns to a single, continuous bar. As you work, keep an eye on predecessor and successor links. Splitting a task doesn't remove dependencies, so related tasks may shift to honor the logic of your plan. And remember, if you make a change you don't like, undo is your friend. That's all you need to clearly show real-world pauses in your schedule using splits in Microsoft Project.